Evening traders, it's Simon at Kairos Capital Markets with the daily direction prediction for the 16th of June. Now it's Friday at the moment and I'm looking at pound yen long, and I'm looking at taking a weekly trade to at least up to 147.5, and I'd like to push it a bit further if we do get the signal. So let's go through bit by bit and see what we've got. So although this low test here hasn't actually finished as a low test yet, we've still got like 22 hours left of the trading week. The fact that I'm looking for some bullish presence to come in the pound yen now itself, I feel that this candle can almost be not classed as being closed. Obviously it hasn't, but it's got a good sentiment there to the upside now, so I quite like that. So the key level is 140 and we've got this upward sloping trend line, which we can almost say is a free touch trend line now, so I'm quite happy with that. The daily itself hasn't given us much of a reversal signal around a zone of 140, but what it has done is had a nice bullish engulfing candle which closed above this downward sloping phase line. So I'm quite happy to take it long and go on from there really. And then obviously I was looking for rejection around the 140 and waiting to see what happens. So if we go onto the intraday of the 4-hour chart, the same phase line here, you can see it pop to the upside, not so much, but what it has done is really cleanly moved away from this 4-hour 50, where before it's just kind of tested and bounced off it, where you know it does test and bounce. This really has moved up away from it, so I quite like that. So what I'm looking for now is a pullback down to the pivot and the 4-hour 50. And I'll show you also there'll be a Fibonacci level there at 382, so you've got quite a lot in that area there. Now obviously on the 1-hour chart this explains to you what happened to the daily now. So on this 1-hour chart here, what we have is a nice inverse head and shoulder pattern, a real clean one as well this is. So you've got the left shoulder, head, right shoulder here, nice clean break up, come back down, and I like to put an order here on the 382 at the key level of 140.7 at the neckline, at the pivot, the 1-hour 50, the 4-hour 50, all the confluence and this downward sloping trend line is all in the way here. Now notice my stop, you can put your stop just half up the head there, no problem at all, that'd be quite nice. And you can do one of two things. I want to do for myself personally is I want to take profit, half the profit, take at 147.5, that's where the weekly double top is. Now if we do get a break above that, then I can keep the other half going, or what you can do is you can move your stop up a little bit up this end here as well, so you lock in say something around about, you can lock in say 4% profit and then see what happens afterwards. You've got multiple ways how you can manage this trade, which we'll go through later on, but the actual trade, the trend change is happening here. You've got a higher low here, it's got a higher high here, a pop here, test the head and shoulder pattern and everything else with it. That's the next high low, confirm trend change, and we should be off again. The stop, like I said, I'll probably do 115 pip stop in that kind of area somewhere. Okay guys, that's all I've got for today, and I shall speak to you soon. Take care.